Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and we're back with some more Voices of the Void content, talking about the Crank flashlight. It costs 400 points in the in-game store, and it prevents you from needing to buy batteries or find batteries for the main flashlight, and it's a little bit cheaper than buying rechargeable batteries and a battery recharging unit, although it's a little bit less efficient. So, to charge it up, you hold Alt and hit right-click, and it will slowly charge up. It will use some of your own in-game energy to do so, but it's not a lot. And it's pretty easy to keep topped up because it'll just show you in the upper right-hand corner where your flashlight information is, what your charge is. And once you get up to 100, it'll stop charging, and then you can hit right-click again without holding Alt to equip it. And then it just functions like a normal flashlight. You can see what's going on around you by hitting F, and then it shows you the current charge in the upper right-hand corner. You just have to unequip it by clicking on it and out of the equipment panel over here, and then hitting whatever button it is in your inventory to bring it open, and then you can recharge it again by holding Alt and holding right-click. Just be careful you don't hit left-click, because that will literally yeet it across the room, and if you're outside, it'll be hard to find it, and that'll be kind of awkward. And then once you're done, you can just hit right-click again to re-equip it and go right back to whatever you were doing. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's been a brief look at how to work the rechargeable flashlight inside of Voices of the Void. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and toodles.